All right, you guys, welcome back. Today we're at the Moon Palace, Grand Cancun. We're in Cancun, Mexico. This is the Grand Deluxe Garden View Room, double bed. So when you walk in, over here, you have walk-in closets. You come in here, you have two robes. Over here, you have your ironing board. On this side, more shelf space. You have your safe right there to put your belongings. Let's backtrack a little bit. Over here, they give you a nice bottle of wine with wine glasses. You have your coffee maker. You have your fridge with stock sodas. And this is an all-inclusive resort, guys. So you can order room service as much as you want, pillow service. Look at this really nice bathroom. Everything here is really nice. His and her sinks. You have the window that goes through to the room. Over here, you have a nice size walk-in shower. You have a seat in there to sit down. Over here, you have your toilet room. Okay, now let's start the beginning of the room. So over here, you have a little space to put anything you need to sit down. You have a nice flat screen TV. Over here, you have a double bed. Really nice, comfortable bed too. You have a speaker with Bluetooth that you can hook your phone up to. Your phone that you use to call concierge or anything that you may need. Over here, you have your desk space where if you need to plug in your laptop and work, you have a nice space to work while overlooking a nice pool out there. Over here, you can walk down your steps. You have a little seating area right here where you can have breakfast. And look at this amazing jacuzzi tub, you guys. Fit like 4 people in there. The nice mirror over there. And you walk out here and you have a walk-off balcony. This is a really nice sized balcony, you guys. Lounge chairs right here. Some more chairs over there. Look at this amazing view. You have a view of the pool right there and of the rest of the resort. Again, we're at the Moon Palace in Cancun, Mexico. And this, again, is the Grand Deluxe Garden View Room. Really nice room, guys. Everything's all inclusive. He said you have pillow service. You can get 14 different pillows here. Order room service whenever you want. It's all included. And yep, that about sums it up for here, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. See you guys at the next one.